Hello there and welcome back to the web development and designing video series. In this video we are going to discuss about how we are going to program the sign in page. So we already discussed about the other elements in the previous videos and now we are going to sign in. So to sign in you have to click on already have an account, sign in, and then we are using a JavaScript element and using a JavaScript function we are able to change the view of the sign up to sign in using the toggle d none. So we're going to use the display none toggle. So if the sign in button is clicked, the sign up will change to display none. So it happens vice versa as well. So let's look into how the sign in process works. We have already discussed on how we develop this sign-in page using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Now we are going to show you how we program the sign-in page. So basically, we divided the page into sign up and sign in. So in the sign-in box, we take in the email as the email to, and then the password as password to from our sign-in box. Next, when the sign in is selected, when the sign in button is pressed, the sign in function is run and it goes to the JavaScript side and then the sign in is run. We take the email, password and password from the sign in side and then we pass it to the form data. I will not discuss about remember me because we will be covering that in the next video. Then we send the email password through the form through this part and then we send an Ajax request and we use an already state change and we see what the response is. If it is success, it is redirected to the home page, otherwise we receive an alert. So once the sign-in process.php is started, we require the connection.php from this file and then we request the email password from the JavaScript side and then we use the validation. We discussed about the email validation in our sign up video and then we check if the user is existing in the database. Otherwise we should echo invalid username or password. So if the user exists, we are going to create a session. So before that we have to start a session on top and then we select the data from the result set from which we acquired from the database and then we are going to set the session u to the data from the database. So that's all for this video. Let's have a demo on how it works. So I'm going to select a user data from the database. So let us select john@gmail.com and let's select his password as well. I'm going into my Chrome browser and I'm going to select this password first. Then I'm going to type in his email and when I click on sign in, we are redirected to home.php. That's all for this video. We will meet in the next one.